Laurente. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ino Franco Canupin. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Matt Daniel Chavez, Corps XO. Cadet Major Christian Anthony Vicentino, Corps S1. Cadet Major Michael Buenamira, Corps S2. Cadet Major Julian Orlina, Corps S4. Cadet Major Alexandra Rabolar, Corps S5. Majorate's Leader, Cadet Captain Chelsea Greg Quintana. And Leader, Cadet Captain Arjane Gabriel Armea. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Cedric Siliona. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Andrew Divino. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant General Lawrence San Antonio. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Kate Florentine Atienza. CAT Facilitator, Commandant Clark Mone Sanchez. Band Advisor Coordinator, Maria Teresa Santos. Major Trainer, Regina Risi Marcaida. Entry number 11, Leon Q. Mercado High School, Kilometer 9, Urban Bicol, Naga City. Entry number 11, Leon Q. Mercado High School, Kilometer 9, Urban Bicol, Naga City.